For 2025, the firm, or Florida International Rally and Motorsport Park, has begun a time trial series known as Track Attack. It's a more laid-back version of a typical time trial setup, but classes are still separated by power to weight ratio, and all cars should be on 200 treadwear tires. This was the first of 5 events this year, and due to a high chance of rain, the attendance was a little low, and I ended up being the only car in my class. However, this was still a great chance to push myself in the NC track car with some timed laps and see how the new cooling modifications held up. I was out there with a C8 Z06, which I had a chance to review about a month ago and was blown away by, as well as an Acura NSX for most of the day, so I definitely had to watch my mirrors, and you'll see them blow by a couple times. We ran out a half version of the track with the hairpin that was right after turn 4 that led right back onto the main straightaway. I'm just going to leave the raw footage here to see uncut and show the fastest lap at the end. So as I move on to the cooldown lap here, you can see the fastest time of the day was a 49.17. It was about a second to about 1.2 seconds quicker than the fastest lap from the first session of the day. So even though I was the only car in class, it was fun to be able to slowly carve out a full second of time as the sessions went on, and as I figured out kind of where I could push the car more. The cooling upgrades, the new radiator that we did in the last episode, held up tremendously. I had no problems whatsoever with heat soak at all. The car was really quite fantastic. It was actually a very neutral setup. Probably a little bit more to the understeer side is how I had the damping set up in the suspension. Didn't really slide around on me too much, but it was very easy to drive the car to near its limit, and overall it was a really fun event. So we'll get out there for the next Track Attack events this year. There's 4 more going to be coming up over the following months. And hopefully at that point there's someone else in the class to try and go toe-to-toe with. So that's about it for this video. If you want to continue to follow the NC track build, be sure to subscribe to the channel and check out the rest of the build playlist on there as well. That said, thanks for watching and have a great day.